exclusive videos of the SpiceJet flight. The video shows the wheels that are coming off while the plane takes off. I want to stay with those visuals that are just coming in. These are visuals of the SpiceJet flight. The video shows the wheels that are coming off the SpiceJet flight. Flight at the Mumbai airport had been briefly disrupted after an emergency was declared when the SpiceJet aircraft lost a wheel during takeoff from Kandla in Gujarat. These are visuals which will show you the wheel coming off. The aircraft is a Q400 turboprop. And we're getting you the visuals of that takeoff that happened without a wheel, viewers. This is an exclusive video of the SpiceJet flight. The video shows the wheel coming off while the plane takes off. We can also hear a passenger saying, "Wheel nikal gaya." This is the Kandla to Mumbai SpiceJet flight that took off, and the passenger cannot believe what just happened. We can see right there the wheel had just come off. This is the SpiceJet plane lost an outer wheel during takeoff today, landed safely in Mumbai. Once again, we can see that visual of the shocking visual when the flight, the wheel, that's there, it's right there. When the wheel had fallen off, with good fortune, the 75 passengers have been unharmed. They have been safe. But the SpiceJet flight landed at Mumbai airport without the outer wheels. There was a full-scale emergency at the Mumbai airport after the SpiceJet flight reported a wheel missing. It lost the wheel during takeoff from the Kandla airport, but it landed safely in Mumbai. This is the takeoff that happened without a wheel. An emergency was declared at the Mumbai airport after the SpiceJet Q400 turboprop aircraft lost a wheel during takeoff from Kandla in Gujarat. Once again, we can see that visual of that wheel. And despite the mid-air scare, the plane continued the journey, the Kandla-Mumbai route. It landed safely in Mumbai, ensuring the safety of its passengers. The SpiceJet emergency landing video was also shown. It landed at Mumbai airport. The outer wheel, once again we're going to show you, of that SpiceJet Q400 aircraft operating from Kandla to Mumbai was found at the runway after the takeoff. This was a scare when the SpiceJet flight lost its wheel during takeoff from Kandla. The SpiceJet aircraft's emergency landing happened in Mumbai. The outer wheel of the flight had come apart. We're getting those details when the emergency landing happened because the wheel had fallen off from the plane. Once again, we're showing you those exclusive visuals that are coming in. SpiceJet's Q400 plane's wheel falls off. The wheel fell off After takeoff from the Kandla airport, the aircraft made an emergency landing at Mumbai airport, and also flights at the Mumbai airport were disrupted. The SpiceJet mid-air scare